Hi guys, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Christine.
We're always on the lookout for the latest, the most innovative ingredient that is powerful, gentle, and effective. And we're so excited to talk about Hexylresorcinol.
So when we first started researching Hexylresorcinol, we were blown away by this power ingredient. So it's amazing for brightening the skin, soothing. It's actually used to treat minor cuts and scrapes. And it's just an all-around powerhouse that we knew we had to leverage.
What is Hexylresorcinol? It's a phenolic lipid that is a powerful antioxidant and it's anti-inflammatory.
Even the smallest amount is supposed to be incredibly effective.
Your skin has a lot of pathways and they can be triggered by multiple reasons, such as environmental aggressors and free radicals, and your skin can have negative or positive responses. Hexylresorcinol has been found to mitigate and block the inflammation pathway NF-kappa B.
So when this pathway is triggered by UV rays, oxidation, bacteria, it can lead to all kinds of things like hyperpigmentation, acne, redness, and irritation. So the amazing thing about using Hexylresorcinol is that you can prevent all of these things from taking place in the future.
And since it's an antioxidant, when it's paired with SPF, it creates a synergistic effect, protecting your skin from sun's rays and environmental aggressors, and ultimately signs of premature aging.
So where can you find Hexylresorcinol? It's starting to pop up in some skincare products, but it is still a very new ingredient, which is really exciting. And we actually use this ingredient to formulate our pineapple seed bright serum alongside a blend of vitamin C for extra potency. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And let us know what other ingredients you guys want to know more about in the comments below. Get your glow on!